you get when you add 1 part Tia and sprinkle in a little Tab? A fresh take on the vegan experience with food that will feed your soul. A vegan mac and cheese and not Yo Mama's Gumbo. But before we start, I have a pop quiz for you quick fixers. True or false? Okay, let's go. It only takes a second to hit the subscribe button. To become a Quick Fix superfan, all you have to do is hit the bell for notifications. You'll be one of the first to know when a new episode launches. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix, and that's true. I have so much in common with my guest today. I'm so excited. We are both working moms, successful businesswomen, and changing our diets changed our lives. Please help me welcome best-selling author, Emmy-nominated host, and vegan influencer, Tabitha Brown. Oh my gosh, I am whenever people hear like vegan, they think that you are having to have to take away.
Right.
But I mean,
I think of it as I'm giving you something new.
Okay.
Right? So
I love
I'm not
that.
taking anything away, I'm just showing you a new way.
Before we get into the tea, I thought we would make some spiced iced tea. I think you should have like a glossary or something like that of all of your Tab isms. Yeah. So you say this and
like so like that.
Like so like that.
Yeah.
And then you said something else. What did you say earlier when I saw you?
Oh, because it's my business.
Because it's your business.
It is. It's all our business.
My gosh. Okay, so we have our honey in here. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add your tea bags, right?
Okay, very good.
Very good.
Okay.
And this is our spiced tea. So then you're gonna add some cinnamon and then add some cloves in there. And then I'm just gonna bring this up to a simmer. You can steep this for about 10 to 15 minutes or up to an hour. No, ain't nobody got time for that today.
You do it for an hour.
Yes,
That's your
you
business,
can do
okay?
it for an hour. We are using honey, but if you want to be completely vegan, you could totally use agave.
Right, and that's your business, okay?
That's your business.
But if you do use honey, try to get it ethically sourced, okay?
Yes.
Locally.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I knew that you were coming, so I already have some pre-made for you.
You did? Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Okay.
I would
Shall
love
we
to-
try?
Yes, let's try.
Okay. Oh. It tastes like the holidays.
Some people think that vegan food is not delicious.
It
like
is.
it's boring or it's
They think
bland.
it's just salad.
Exactly.
A lot of people like, y'all eat rabbit food. I was like, honey, I got hips, thighs, and fries. And I eat, okay? I go to get it with the food. I always tell people I didn't go vegan because I ain't like how non-vegan food tasted. I went vegan to save my life.
Exactly.
So, yeah, and I'm a Southern woman, so I still eat all the things that I used to eat, but just in a healthier way.
And with that said, let's get into this vegan mac and cheese, shall we? You want to do like another cheers?
Let us do it.
Okay, while we, cook this up, what made you decide to make the change to go vegan?
I woke up one morning with a headache in the back of my head. This headache literally rested there for a year and 7 months.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
And so then I had chronic fatigue, chronic pain throughout my body. Just could not get well, and doctors could not figure out what was wrong with me.
Wow.
Yeah. And so my daughter came home and was like, Mom, I saw this documentary at school. I think you should watch it. I was like, okay, we watch it as a family because, honey, it ain't every day a teenager will come home and tell you to watch a documentary.
I know. Wow.
So, when they started talking about not all diseases are hereditary, that we can eat the same thing that will cause the same, disease in our bloodline.
Wow.
I was like, well, you know what? This is a light bulb moment for me. I did a 30-day vegan challenge. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna try it for 30 days. And in the first 10 days, my headache disappeared. Yeah, that's what I said. Day 30 came and I told my husband, this is gonna be my life. We did it together as a family for 30 days.
That I feel like is important to whoever your partner is, that they join you along the way as well.
Well, sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes, right? It was great that my whole family said we're gonna do this together for 30 days.
Yes.
Right, but on that 30th day when I told my husband, I feel amazing now, like I'm starting to feel like myself again.
Okay.
I'm gonna go vegan. Like, it's not gonna be a challenge, it's gonna be my life.
Lifestyle.
And he was like, that is great, babe, but tomorrow I'm gonna need a piece of chicken. And I always tell people that the thing that may change your life or save your life, you have to be willing to go on that journey alone.
Okay.
Okay? It's not about anybody else, honey. That's his business.
Okay.
My life is my business.
I
And
like that.
A lot of times what happens is we won't go on a journey because we're waiting
on some. Oh,
to do it with
I'm
us.
so clumsy today.
That was the Lord in the pot saying, preach, Sam.
That preach. I feel like that is a word.
Yeah.
I've added some olive oil, and then I've added some garlic. I love garlic.
I
My
love
gosh.
garlic. People know that about me, honey.
Oh, and I'm just gonna cook this until it gets really nice and soft. I feel like it's there, don't you?
Listen, it looks good. I could eat that. Let me just say
Right?
that. I can.
Right?
I'm excited about it.
So
Can y'all
good.
smell it? Because it smells amazing.
It smells so good.
If you can't smell it, you got to turn the thing on. You got to tap the button for the smell of it. If it smells good.
Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some vegetable stock.
Okay, baby.
Okay.
So I love a good new vegan mac and cheese recipe. I'm
Okay.
like this. I'm like, show me that
I love
Okay.
that. Are any of the kids, are they vegan?
They have all went back to eating fish and chicken.
Okay.
My son, who is 10, he will let you know that he has never been vegan.
That is
He'll
hilarious.
be like, Mommy, you know I was never vegan. I'm like, I know, son, okay? And that's his business. So he has always known that he can have, you know, if you want regular pizza or, you know, he had a birthday party, they got chicken nuggets, like he eats those things. But I
Okay.
only cook vegan. And so they all eat vegan.
Got it.
But, you know, when they're out and about, they can live their life the way they want to.
I love that there's no judgment.
Oh, no. I would be a hypocrite to do that.
You know what I mean? I think
Yes.
but I think that that's amazing and that's great because I think the stereotype, of course, you know, going vegan as well, that there is, you know, some judgment sometimes.
Oh, it is judgment.
You know?
I still get judgment.
Okay.
Right? People be telling me I'm not, you know, vegan enough. I just introduce it, I share it. Honey, I make the food good so people want to eat it.
Like,
okay?
what's this?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Yeah.
And then I've added some onion powder and some salt and some pepper.
Okay.
And we're just gonna, you know, stir this up a little bit, let it come to like maybe a simmer, just a little simmer.
Now, did I do good on this?
Good.
Is this
Did
very
you do
good?
good? That is very,
never
very, very,
cooked
very,
before.
very good.
It's my first time in the kitchen. How do I
very,
look?
Very, very, very good. Let's toast to that. Cheers.
We promise that it's not spite. It's not.
No, it's
That's
not
for the
spiked.
holidays.
Yes,
This
the
is-
holiday.
This is just for today.
Yes, just they are done.
Yes.
And now we're gonna puree our white bean and like vegetable mix. You know, one thing that I love about this recipe is you have the protein from the white beans, you
Yes.
know, and the veggies from the carrots. So the kids, when they eat this, it's like, yes, they have their protein, their veggies. What kid does not like mac and cheese?
They love
I
it.
don't know.
And they don't even know the veggies are there.
They don't.
They just think they eat mac and cheese.
And you have this incredible book out right now called Cooking from the Spirit. Can you explain like what that means or why you came up with that title?
It is exactly what it says. I cook from the spirit, right? There's no measurements. You do what feels right.
Wow.
That's how my granny cooked. That's how my mama cooked. That's how they taught me to cook. Because I did not know how to cook growing up. I didn't care about being in the kitchen. So I learned to cook, you know, once me and my husband moved in together. I was very young and I was on the phone learning and I would have to do, you know, a little bit of here, a little bit there. Look, like so, like that, okay? But I always tell people, if you need a recipe every time you cook, that means you don't trust yourself.
Ooh.
So, and that's not just in the kitchen. That's in life.
Life.
Right? That means it's hard for you to make decisions. So I always tell people, I encourage you to have fun in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Right? And let your spirit guide you.
Wow. Well, I'm gonna let my spirit guide me.
With the hot sauce, okay? With the
Hot sauce. Let me trust myself.
Okay, let me see here.
There you go.
I've
I don't want to
never
put
seen
too
this.
much. This is just like to add, you know, that flavor.
Okay.
So basically what I've done here is I've added some nutritional yeast, and you actually know a lot about nutritional yeast.
Yes, nutritional yeast is great. So it's great to kind of add that cheesy flavor, has a
Yes.
little nutty flavor as well, but it has so many vitamins, a lot of the B vitamins. And especially when you're vegan, we need vitamin B. But even, you know, as people of color, we all are kind of deficient
Yes.
of vitamin B.
So we're just gonna puree this.
All right.
I always get scared of blenders, food processors.
Have no fear, honey. I'm over
Have
here.
no fear. All right.
I usually dance when I do it.
Okay, me too. hey.
I'm just like, yeah.
See,
I do this. Yeah.
Look at that. Ooh.
Ooh. Get into it, okay?
Look at that.
This looks so good, honey.
I
Yes,
would
it is.
love for you to add the vegan cheese on top.
Oh, okay.
And then can you explain to me what makes a vegan cheese a great vegan cheese? Because from personal experience, it's hard finding the right
one. You want one that doesn't have like an aftertaste, because sometimes that's kind of hard to find, right? But they have come a long way. And you want one that melts, right? So there's all kinds of tricks to help vegan cheese melt. So many different kinds. Like you can have mozzarella, you can have cheddar, you can have sharp cheddar now. They have sharp cheddar vegan cheese. A lot of the ones that are made with like chickpeas, they have protein in them and they melt well. Some of them are made from coconut, cashews.
Okay, so now we're gonna add our breadcrumbs on top. Like I said, I love having some sort of texture on top of a mac and cheese.
A little crunch.
A crunch, a really nice
You put all of it?
All of it.
Oh, okay, very good.
We're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna put on the broiler, okay? We're gonna let that go for maybe about like 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're gonna take the foil off and then let it go for about 3 minutes just so that it gets this nice toasty texture to the top. All right, let's go. So up next is, we are gonna be making our vegan gumbo. Have you ever made vegan gumbo?
I've never made vegan gumbo. I'm excited though because I do like gumbo.
Oh, not just any gumbo, it's not your mama's gumbo.
Not your mama's gumbo.
Okay. So, I'm sure you know with any gumbo, you have to start with a roux.
Right.
And
which is why I've never made it.
I know, a roux, it takes a long time. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It could take probably up to maybe an hour. And usually you do it with flour and some sort of fat like butter, right? But we're not gonna do that because this is a vegan gumbo. We're gonna be using olive oil.
Okay.
So, this is all about, you know, quick fix in the kitchen.
So we're gonna do this for an hour? If it's
No,
right now?
No.
Oh, okay.
Ain't nobody got time for that. So this is the quick fix version. I basically already did it. So I have onions, celery, and bell peppers. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that in there.
Okay.
So we have garlic powder here.
Garlic powder.
Yep, and I just added some Cajun seasoning in there.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and just stir this up. You know, I love to sing. I love to sing like for fun.
Okay, me too.
You know, oh yay!
Yeah.
You know, because I grew up in the church.
Me too.
And my mother, she was actually in the choir.
Yeah.
So whenever we would all go to her choir practice, and I remember just sitting in the pews. Of course, when you're a kid, it can be a little boring, you know?
Listen, that's when you people watch.
Well, we would, my sister and I, we would gum watch, if that makes any sense. We would get up under the pews and we would literally count all of the gum.
Oh my God, are you serious?
We didn't touch it.
Listen.
Because that's like disgusting.
Somebody was in there being bad at church. Okay.
And putting, there was a lot of gum up under those pews. You love spice too. And you actually have spices, right?
I do. I have Sunshine with McCormick spice.
Nice.
Yes, but it's my very own seasoning. I decided to do a Sunshine seasoning because people were still sitting in the house when we were all in quarantine.
Yes.
And a lot of people needed a little vacation, but they couldn't leave the house. So I said, let me bring the Sunshine to you.
See.
So it felt like a little vacation in a bottle, but it's amazing and it's salt-free.
Wow.
But you don't sacrifice flavor.
So how you know that it's time to put the vegetable stock in there is when this starts to look like a paste.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my vegetable stock in there.
Pour it in.
Pour it, ooh, look at that.
In. Oh.
So we have some diced tomatoes over there.
Yes, we
Can you
do.
go ahead and just add that.
And they got a little garlic in them too. I can smell it.
Yes.
Good.
There you go. Some
Got a little kidney beans.
And I feel like this is the nice substitute for like meat, should I say. So there's this new dance challenge on social media, and I guess it goes like boom, 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 boom.
Wait a minute.
Boom, 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 boom.
Cause I got hip thighs and fries, honey. It's almost like the Carlton.
Oh yes, you're right. It goes boom. It is. Oh yeah.
Right.
So you go Carlton.
It's like
Carlton swoop.
And we did that. Okay, very good.
Hey.
Who says you can't dance in the kitchen,
I
honey?
mean, it's all about like what we were saying about having fun.
You do what you
right?
want to in your kitchen. That's your business.
That's your business.
It is. Very good.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Your business.
And this.
And next what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the zucchini.
This for sure your daughter won't have.
Oh.
She won't eat the skyro, not eating.
No, the only way that she would eat that is if I hide it in like a quesadilla.
Okay.
You know?
But you know the good thing about my children's show? She watches Tab Time.
She loves Tab Time.
So I incorporate a lot of green veggies
I know.
in snack time
I know.
to make it fun for kids. So
Girl.
just look, keep letting her
on.
watch snack time so she'll be ready. She'll be like, you know what, maybe I want to try that. Like celery,
Yep.
but like kiwi and like green grapes, I try to make sure that they can try something green that's sweet. So
Okay.
it keeps kids from being afraid of green.
Afraid of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, if anything that's green, she's like, no mommy, no mommy, no salad, no salad.
I cannot wait to try this food today.
Okay.
Can we
Awesome.
eat? I'm ready.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I mean, we have veganized,
Yes.
your word,
Okay.
gumbo.
Uh-huh.
We have the mac and cheese.
Yes.
Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. I got my plates
Okay,
right
do you
here.
mind plating the mac and cheese, and then I will do the gumbo, should I say?
Oh, look at the little crust on the top.
Yes.
Very
Hey.
I'm gonna just put a little extra on here.
Okay.
Because sometimes I have a little greedy spirit, okay?
Do what you
Okay, that's right
do. Do
here.
what you do. You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh wait,
Okay.
I need a spoon.
here you
I only
go.
got forks up here. We're gonna try the gumbo first?
Yes, let's
Because
try
we
the
can't
gumbo.
hold two plates at the same
Okay.
time and eat.
Let's
Okay,
see.
ooh God, we thank you.
I was just about to say, you know what I say? Jesus.
Yeah, I say, ooh God, we thank you. Amen, that's it.
That's what our
But they
family-
both work.
Yeah, they do.
Yes, very
Okay.
good. Okay, let's see. Ooh. It didn't burn you.
No.
Make your little shoulder do the thing.
35 minutes on the table, y'all.
I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna add some other things too.
I know you are.
I'm gonna, ooh. Okay,
I
we gotta
know
we
you
gotta try
are.
to here.
Okay,
Gotta
let's
try
do the mac.
and
Thank you.
cheese. There you
All
are.
right.
Got it.
do this.
Okay, let's see here. Got a little crunch. That's very good. Oh my Lord.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you for sharing your wonderful story. And just continue to shine bright, girl.
Thank you, girl.
Shine bright. Thank you so much. And
appreciate you.
so, we always do an outro here.
Okay.
At Quick Fix.
Y'all going on about y'all business, all right?
Okay.
And have the most amazing day. But even if you can't have a good one, don't you dare go messing up nobody else's here. Love y'all.
What she said.
Very
what
good.
she said. Very good.